Good morning, dear students. Let us continue with the exercise 6.4. Question number 6 is express the following without decimals. So A part is rupees 10.50. It is in rupees and we wanted to express it without decimals. It means either you have to convert it into paise, because already it is in rupees and it is with decimals in rupees, so you have to convert it into paise. Now we have rupees 10.50. So how can I write it? Rupees 10 plus rupees 0.50. Now I will reduce this rupees into paise. So how I will multiply the rupee with 100. So 10 is multiplied with 100 and 50 is already in paise. 10 into 100 is 1000, so it becomes 1000 plus 50 paise, that is 1050 paise. B part is rupees 100.100. Again you will convert rupee into paise, so I can write it like this: 100 rupees and 100 paise. So 100 rupee is multiplied with 100 to convert it into paise, so 100 into 100 becomes 10,000 plus 100 paise, that is 10,100 paise. So it is without decimal now. C part 10.10 meter. Again meter to centimeter, because you don't want a decimal, so when I will write 10.10 it will be 10 meter and 10 centimeter. So it means I should convert this meter into centimeter so that decimal will not be there. So meter to centimeter means you have to multiply it with 100, so it is 10 into 100 plus 10 centimeter. So this is 1000 plus 10, that is 1010 centimeter. D part is 3.05 kilometers. Now to remove this decimal, firstly let us write 3.05. It is 3 kilometer plus 0.05 meters, or you can write it like this: 3 kilometers plus 50 meters. Now I will convert it: 3 into 1000 meters plus. Now I have 0.05 here, or I can say I have 50 meters here. Why? Because when I will write it in the meter form, 3.05 kilometer means it should be in the thousand place, 0.050. So 050 means 50 meters. So 3000 plus 50, it is 3050 meters. Next E part is 50.210 kg. As 1 kg is 1000 grams, so how can I write is 50 kg plus 210 grams. So 50 kg will be converted into grams by multiplying it with 1000. So it is 50,000 grams plus 210 grams, that is 50,210 grams. Seventh question, A part, express 10 centimeter in meters and kilometers. Now centimeter is a smaller unit, so we want to go to the bigger unit. It means we will divide it: 10 centimeter into meters. So we will divide it with 100, because we know if we want to go from centimeter to meter we have to divide it with 100. So 10 centimeter means 10 by 100 meters, or you can say it is 0.1 meter. Now I want to convert this 10 centimeter into kilometers. We know the relation that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? And 1 centimeter we can write it 1 by 1 lakh kilometer. So 10 centimeter will be 10 by 10 lakh kilometer. It is equal to 1 by 10,000 kilometer. Now you can see we have 4 zeros in the denominator. So insert 3 zeros in front of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 0.0001 kilometer. B part is convert 25 millimeter into centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So you can say 1 by 10 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. So 25 millimeter will be equal to 25 by 10 centimeter. So 25 by 10 means 22.5 centimeter. Next you want to convert this 25 into meters also. 25 millimeter into meters. Now we know 1 millimeter is 1 by 1000 meter. So 25 millimeter will be 25 by 1000 millimeter. So 25 millimeter is equal to 0.025 meters. Now we want to convert this 25 millimeter into kilometers. We know the relation that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1 lakh kilometer. So 25 millimeter will be 25 divided by 1 lakh. So it is equal to 0.00025 kilometer. Next, 8th question is, Mr. Sharma bought 500 gram spinach, 750 gram onions, 100 gram garlic, 150 gram ginger and 750 gram potatoes. Find the total weight of all the vegetables and express the answer in kilograms. Now weight of spinach is 500 grams. We will convert it into kgs. All of the weights we will convert them into kgs and then we will add them. So 500 grams is converted into kilograms. We will divide it with 1000. So 500 divided by 1000. Similarly 750 grams. So it will be 750 divided by 1000 kg. For garlic it is 100 grams. So it will be 100 divided by 1000 kgs. For ginger it's 150 grams. So it is 150 divided by 1000 kg. For potatoes it is 750 grams, so it will be 750 divided by 1000 kgs. Now total weight we will add all of them. Now they are like fractions having the same denominator 1000, so we will simply add the numerators and we are getting 2350. So 2350 divided by 1000, a 0 will be cancelled, so it is 235 divided by 100, that is 2.35 kilograms. 9th question is, the length of Mehma's study table top is 125 centimeter. What is its length in meter? So simply you have to convert this centimeter into meter. We know we have to divide it with 100 to convert into meter. So 125 centimeter is 125 divided by 100 meter. So 2 zeros in the denominator, it means a decimal will come here. 1.25 meters. Your homework for today is question number 6th F and G part and question number 10th from this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.